Welcome back to Jetline Marvel for another thrilling aviation episode. If you've ever dreamed of flying in your own private jet, but thought it was too expensive, think again. Owning a private jet doesn't always have to cost a fortune. In fact, there are several options available that are more affordable than you might imagine. Whether you're looking to purchase a brand new aircraft or considering chartering for a special occasion, this list highlights 5 low-cost private jets that could make your airborne dreams a reality. Cirrus Vision Jet. Topping a list, this jet, priced at a modest $2 million. This compact yet powerful aircraft boasts the distinction of being the world's first single-engine private jet. With its Williams International FJ33-5A turbofan engine, it cruises at 345 miles per hour and reaches a maximum altitude of 28,000 feet, covering a range of 1,150 miles. The innovative V-tail design sets it apart, offering both efficiency and style. Phenom 100 EV. Presenting the most affordable option in the realm of private jets, commencing at $4.5 million. This sleek aircraft accommodates 4 to 7 passengers comfortably and boasts a commendable range of 1,178 nautical miles. Its design features a low-wing monoplane configuration, complemented by a distinctive T-tail and retractable tricycle landing gear. Honda Jet HA-420. A sleek and innovative light business jet, crafted by the Honda Aircraft Company, priced at $4.8 million. It seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with affordability. With a remarkable range of up to 1,547 nautical miles, it ensures efficient and comfortable travel for its passengers. With seating for up to 11 occupants, it offers spacious interiors with ample legroom and the tallest cabin height in its class. Cessna Citation CJ3. For those seeking a bit more space and comfort, this jet presents an enticing option at $8.3 million. Launched as an upgraded version of the CJ3, this jet features an expansive cabin and advanced Garmin 3000 avionics system. With single pilot certification and impressive performance, including a top speed of 507 miles per hour, the CJ3 ensures a smooth and luxurious flying experience. Phenom 300E. Priced at a modest $9 million, with a range extending up to 2,200 nautical miles. The capacity to accommodate up to 10 passengers. This model stands out with its E designation, signifying enhancements. Equipped with Pratt & Whitney PW535E1 engines, the Phenom 300E offers ample leg and headroom with its innovative oval light cross-section cabin design. Cessna Citation XLS. Stepping up in size and capability, it offers unparalleled versatility at $13 million. Renowned as the world's best-selling business jet, it combines high performance with long-range capabilities. Covering 2,100 nautical miles without refueling, the spacious cabin, equipped with state-of-the-art amenities and entertainment systems, provides a luxurious retreat for passengers. Cessna Citation Sovereign. Continuing the legacy of excellence, it stands out as the most affordable super mid-size jet at $18 million, with a remarkable range of 3,200 nautical miles. It offers non-stop flights from Bangkok to Dubai. Its impressive runway performance allows access to smaller airports, enhancing travel flexibility. The lavish cabin, accommodating up to 12 passengers, ensures a journey of unmatched comfort and style. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about private jets in the comments section.